Alright, iron ore. This is the first video we're going to make of our gold prospecting. We have done gold prospecting once. It was on Ross's Point. It was only a few days ago, but it was unsuccessful unless you count the golf ball and the bolt and I think one piece of iron that we found. The metal detector does work. It was a Christmas present from a few years ago. We're finally getting some use for it here in Ireland. I'm not going to tell you where we are for this one because I don't want everyone rushing out and storming the beaches. But it's safe to say we're in County Mayo and we're going to do our very first metal detecting video right here for you on Irish Ore YouTube channel. If you recognize the area, then you know where we are. If you don't recognize it, you're not a local. And that's what it's all about, being local. We are here in a non-disclosed location. And Dominique looks like she's finding stuff already. Are you finding stuff?
No, I pushed it to the ground too.
Alright, we're just in the picnic area. Maybe we could just try our luck with some coins. Yeah, so we can use the shovel as a marker. Oh, it looks like there's something there.
Here is something.
Excellent. Alright, let me just get my shovel ready. Hold that for a sec. Just with one hand.
I think you see it here, it's a razor blade or something. It was not a razor blade.
Oh. Oh, it's a bottle cap.
Yeah. Clearly.
Yep.
And here too. Still there.
In the top?
In
the hole. Oh, I see something rusted.
Yeah.
Something big. Oh, it's something enormous, like a fence. You can see that, right?
Yeah, that's the thing.
Alright, I'll cover it up. This spot's just going to have lots of rubbish in it. Don't forget to cover up all your holes when you're metal prospecting, because anyone could come along and hurt themselves. On the beach it's a different issue. On the beach you can just dig a hole, walk away, and the tide will take care of it. But here we've got to cover up all the holes that we make. So far a bottle cap and a piece of iron. Let's see what else we can find. Sounds like you found something. Oh, it might be big. Alright, let me try to dig this bad boy out.
That is weird, huh? That it's all...
Hold that.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a giant rock. Let's see what that is. That's iron ore or something. Maybe we're looking at maybe some iron.
But the thing is, it does that everywhere on the sand.
Okay. And it's full of gold. There's clay under there. Alright. A lot of clay.
You think it's the sand itself?
I don't know. It's a rock. No, it's a big bit of clay. Put my gloves on now. Okay.
Don't have them? Oh.
All this stuff.
Well, that doesn't make noise though. It's just like the surface makes noise. That doesn't make noise. That makes noise.
Huh. Maybe we're getting too much
Yeah.
reaction. I don't know what's going on there. Let's try along some rocks.
Yeah.
Dragging a stick. Hey, buddy. Try this red rock. I think it'll be iron. No? Yes.
Maybe
Yeah.
just go
Well, that was our day today. As far as gold prospecting went, it was really difficult because there was a lot of, I'm not saying it's metal filings on the sand, it's more maybe just iron or lead or something that is metallic that's getting picked up all over the sand where we were today, out at Squiggle Head. And you can have a look at the view though. Beautiful place to be anyway, even if you're not going to be prospecting or magnet fishing or anything. Still a beautiful place. But because of what was going on, we were picking up signals all over the place. We did find one or two little bits and pieces, nothing of value, like a bottle cap, I think a couple of bottle caps, and some weird like hair clip thing with a lamp with a LED light in it, and the LED light still worked, but yeah, nothing of value, not yet. That was our second attempt at gold prospecting, and we'll try a different beach next time, maybe something a little closer to where we are. Maybe we'd have to drive so far, but still, all the beaches are worth a go. And you know, maybe our next video will find something fun and something exciting to share with you. So thanks for tuning in. This was Irish Ore with John Green and Dominique Green, coming from the beautiful Irish seaside near Croagh Patrick.